Hey guys, what's going on? It is Saul over at SUPP, bringing you another workout nutrition DIY video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make the best intra-workout drink you've ever had in just 3 steps. Now, people always talk about post-workout nutrition, but what about intra? So let's get started. For this video, I'm going to cut through all the bullshit most people get shoveled. It's time to wise up when it comes to intra-workout nutrition. Post-workout nutrition is only part of the equation, and while whole food nutrition is critical to muscle growth and performance, you still need something to nourish your muscles during a taxing workout as well. Lift heavy? You need an intra-workout formula. Box hard? You need an intra-workout formula. Do marathon running? You need to get the f*** off my channel. Now, jokes aside, here's an intra-workout shake that's sure to keep you going when you're deep into a make-or-break workout session. Okay, so here's the recipe for the intra-workout drink. It makes 1 intra-workout shake. Prep time is 2 to 3 minutes. Items needed: you're going to need a protein shaker bottle. Optionally, you can have a hand blender if you like it smooth, or a protein shaker bottle with a blender built in. For the ingredients: 38 grams of HBCD, or highly branched cyclic dextrin, 5 grams of leucine, 5 grams of citrulline malate, 2.5 grams of TMG, 2 grams of taurine, 2 grams of beta-alanine, 1 to 1.5 grams of malic acid, 550 milliliters of water, and 50 milliliters of juice concentrate. Now for the directions: fill your shaker with 50 milliliters of your choice of juice concentrate, also known as high juice, squash, or cordial, and add 550 milliliters of water. Toss in all your ingredients, HBCD first, close the lid and shake it up, or push the button to blend it if you have a blender shaker. And that's it. You know what to do from here. Take it to your next workout session, take a sip every 10 to 15 minutes. Now there are a plethora of benefits to this intra-workout formula. HBCD is a rapidly absorbing carbohydrate that helps replenish stores while transporting amino acids, leucine in this case, to your muscles during workouts without the crash. Citrulline malate, TMG, and malic acid all help prolong your endurance. Beta-alanine and taurine work as antagonists to each other and help your strength. You remember I mentioned beta-alanine and taurine in quite a few YouTube videos. If you want to check those out, the links are in the description below. Juice concentrate makes drinking all this stuff taste good. Opt for the sugar over sugar-free concentrates because sugar-free usually means chemical crap. And relax. You're not going to turn into the Pillsbury Doughboy off one shake, I promise. Now, leucine is a good budget option in comparison to the more priced casein hydrolysate, but it's also a damn good lean muscle mass preserver. I could tell you more, but that's what the SUPP nutrition guides are for. And that's all there is to it, kids. School's out. If you like this video, share it, subscribe, and comment below. If you really like this video, but you don't have the SUPP guides yet, go ahead and buy them over at the SUPP website. The link is in the description below and up on the screen. They cost less than the shirt on your back, but unlike that shirt, the knowledge gained lasts a lifetime. Now, if you've already bought the guides, hey, thanks, then go ahead and check out the other gear in my shop. From nutrition supplements to apparel, you can pick up some whey protein for your next workout, new threads for that sleeve-splitting arms day, or something else that'll help you remember that when it comes to fueling and training your body, once you learn how to, where you are matters less. And every item, the material, color, style, ingredients, and quality are all handpicked by me, so if I won't wear it, eat it, drink it, or read it, I will not sell it to you. It's that simple. If you go ahead and get the guides, you'll discover recipes with nutritional breakdown in each of the nutrition guides to make things nice and easy, and that's available under the snacks chapters, and previews of the chapters are available in the shop. With the workout guides, you'll get in-depth customizable workout plans with breakdowns of how to effectively and efficiently train your muscles no matter where you are. Now, all guides teach you how to eliminate worries or concerns about getting the nutrition and strength and conditioning you need to stay fighting fit for when you're deployed or at home. And that's it, guys. Drop by next time for another great video to add to your workout and nutrition arsenal. And most importantly, stop doing guesswork. Start making the necessities of your life easier. Because if you know how to fuel and train your body, where you are matters less. That's it from me. Have a great week, weekend, whichever. Peace.